Hi, this is Tara Reed, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek behind my Come Let Us Adore Him Nativity art collection that I've just completed for Christmas that we will be licensing onto a variety of products. So the way I paint is I don't paint the full scene, I paint in little pieces. So right here, you can see the bottom of it. I have Mary, and I'll paint her separate from baby Jesus and Joseph and the animals and the manger and the angel. And then I'll put them all together in the computer. But I really do start always with water, paint, and paper. I find it to be very soothing, and I find I get my best results that way. So I'm definitely a combination of traditional and digital art. So let me show you how this works. I usually put them on one large sheet like this, and you'll see they're all different layers so that I can move them around and put them in different formats. So I kind of use these as my building blocks. And the reason I do that is I'm creating art that is going to go on, I'm not sure what kind of products. So I need to be flexible. And when I'm creating a collection, I often do some ideas for the manufacturers. So this would be a tray or a floor mat. It could maybe be a card. We could make mugs, dish towels, journals, plates, a throw pillow, a flag. So you'll see like there's close-ups, there's patterns, there's things that are tall rectangles, wide rectangles. I missed something. The bag, gift bag, perfect for a gift bag. Now let me show you an example of putting one of these designs together. So I start with a basic background. So obviously we're going to do a horizontal. And then I create my background. Just in the interest of time, I'm going to start with this background, but this has about 7 to 10 different layers in and of itself. Then we're going to add some straw. Then I would place Mary. I always put my most important characters on my panel first. Joseph and baby Jesus. Now I decided I wanted him to have a halo, so I added that layer there. And then I added some rays of light with a gold overtone. Then I decided to add the angel, some more straw, and now I'm adding some animals. So I add the ox, put some straw in front of him because he's sitting down. The donkey, he gets some straw. A sitting sheep, he gets some straw, like Oprah. Everybody, straw for you, straw for you. Another sheep. And then I'm going to add a little bit more interest because this is a little solid and blue, not too interesting. So I'm going to add some stars, some dot stars for more variety, and of course the Star of Bethlehem and the text that I want up there, Come Let Us Adore Him. And then finally, my signature has to go into everything, so I tuck it in somewhere. Designing this way allows me to be very flexible, because if somebody said, oh, we really like that, but we need it to be a circle, I would need to adjust curve of the Come Let Us Adore Him. I would need to move the donkey in or get rid of him. I might get rid of the donkey and the ox and just move these palm trees in. So there's lots and lots of things to do. So I always start with paintbrush in my hand and then scan and do a lot of this digitally. So if you are a manufacturer and you're looking for art for licensing and this is of interest to you, or you would like to see some of my other work, feel free to reach out to me or definitely my agent at Roaring Brook Art. Just contact Gary Levine and we would love to talk to you about your next project. And if you are a consumer, I hope you found this an interesting peek behind how art comes together that you end up buying on products in stores.